At Lasting Image Landscaping, it's not about trimming the shrubs or laying the stones, it's about creating something truly lasting. We want to build outdoor spaces that people feel proud of, that bring families together, or give them a place to relax after a long day. It's about quality, trust, and taking the time to understand what people really want from their property. That's what we are all about. Our team at Lasting Image Landscaping wouldn't be here without our clients. We feel very fortunate to have worked with some wonderful people on spectacular projects large and small since our beginning in 1994. From consultation through the design process and installation of the project, each and every team member is engaged at the same level of quality of work, customer satisfaction, ensuring projects stay on course, on time, and on budget. Our biggest compliment we have received has been from satisfied clients, them referring family and friends. This acknowledges our hopes that our goal of leaving our clients with a no stone left unturned feeling when we leave, knowing that we have created exactly what they wanted with an outcome beyond their expectations to ensure they call us again for their next project.